Just out in the field today, new setup, new install for a client, Bailey Lee Contracting, servicing the Nelson and Motueka region. Beautiful pairing here and a very, very wet, boggy ex-winter paddock. Not many other tools for the job, folks, but the 4AG SuperGrubber. Beautiful pairing here. It's a 4AG SG300 SuperGrubber. Getting down nice and deep, probably close to 300 deep, working, loosening, mixing and cultivating with the rear roller to start drying out those winter paddocks. And speaking of winter, it's Mount Arthur covered in snow in the background there. So beautiful job achieved there by the 4AG SuperGrubber. Deep, loosening, ripping and cultivating in a pass. Look at the water line around there. No other tool for the job. If you've got waterlogged paddocks and you need to dry them out so you can get on to them in the next few weeks, look no further than the 4AG SuperGrubber.